To begin assembling your scaffold storage system, place the 30-inch by 48-inch end rack down to start building primary track. Use track connectors to place additional primary tracks in the sequence. Bolt each primary track together. Add on the 44-inch by 48-inch end rack to complete the base of your scaffold storage system. When building up the first end rack, bolt each leg into the appropriate sections of the end rack. Once that is done, start building out the bays. Begin building the bays by placing the first bay track on the primary track, closest to the first end rack. Make sure the bay track is against the primary track connector. Safety bars double as measuring tools to distance the space needed between bay tracks. Use the safety bar to determine the placement of the next bay track. Start building the first guard panel bay with 2 side rails and a support bar, beginning by placing a side rail in each track. Bolt the side rails in place. Once side rails are secured, attach the support bar to the side rails using the bottom hole. Reference your installation manual for the appropriate length. Bolt the left side to the side rail while leaving the right side loose. Finish the bay by attaching the safety bar between side rails. You will build the second bay, Bil-Jax guardrails, directly beside the first using the same method as the first bay. Now repeat the process for each bay in your installation manual. Complete the racking system by building up the 44-foot by 48-inch end rack with the same steps we used in the beginning for the first end rack. Now that all the bays are built, begin placing the insert bases to hold your walkboards and outriggers into the bays. Place bases for the walkboards in the 2 bays. Next, build 2 outrigger racks and then place them in the appropriate bays. Finally, place 3 baskets to hold casters and jacks. Now you are ready to load your scaffold storage system with your scaffolding equipment. Remove safety bars before loading the bays to allow easy access. When finished loading each bay with equipment, reattach the safety bars back onto the appropriate bays. For an added level of safety, install the safety locks on the tracks for the end panels, guard panels, and plank bays. Scaffold storage system is now complete, and your rental yard is now maintained and organized.